What's up, makers? My name is Luke. Mankind has been trying to figure out how to make work easier for thousands of years. Now that our society is so technologically advanced, sometimes we forget about the most important simple machines. The wheel and axle is crucial to making our world rock and roll. So today our challenge is to create a LIFESAVER Lambo.
The wheel and axle is a simple machine consisting of a rod or spindle passing through the center of a wheel. It's amazing how these two simple components work together as a simple rotating machine to decrease the amount of effort needed to move something from one place to another. Supplies. You will need paper, tape, a ruler, a pencil, a marker, 2 plastic straws, a pair of scissors, and lifesavers. Step 1. Fold your paper in half. Then fold the paper in half again. Now use tape to tape the edges of the paper together. Step 2. We need to make some measurements for where we will place the axles. First, make 1-inch markings on each side of the paper. Slide your ruler down and repeat. Now connect your marks. This will be where you will lay down the axle. Now we need to make a mark in the middle to center the axles. This measurement will be at 2 1/16 inches. On my ruler, it is the next marking after the number 2. If you need help, ask an adult. Now repeat at the bottom and connect your marks. Step 3. Now we need to make a few measurements on the axles. First, we need to make a measurement at 6 inches. This is where we will trim the axle. Now we need to make a mark at 3 inches to center it with the body. Now cut your axle at the 6-inch mark. Step 4. Now we need to assemble. Take your axles and line up your 3-inch mark with the 2 1/16 mark that you made on the body of your paper. Take a piece of tape and carefully tape the axle down. Make sure it is lined up with your 1-inch marks. Now repeat at the bottom. Next, tape the axle to the edge of the paper on all 4 edges. Fantastic! Now we are ready to attach our wheels. Step 5. Attach the wheels to the axles. Now take a piece of tape and fold the end of the tape over on the end. This will keep the wheel on the axle as it is rolling. Now wrap the tape around each axle, making sure that the piece of tape that you folded over on the end sticks out. This will keep the wheel secure. Check and make sure that all of the wheels move freely on the axle and they are secured by the tape. Fantastic! With a few simple household materials, we have created a wheel and axle simple machine. Now it's time to test. It works! Fantastic! Now let's talk about some variations. It is important to remember that this is only one design. You can change the shape and size of your LIFESAVER Lambo, as well as add seats for passengers or cargo. Experiment by adding different amounts of weight to your Lambo and see how it changes its speed. Be creative and experiment. There are unlimited possibilities.
Thank you for watching this video. This series is brought to you by the KSU I Teach MakerBus team. Share your creation online using the hashtag #ITeachMaker. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us online at I Teach MakerBus. See you later, makers!